This right here is the bottom end of the motor. The crankshaft right here, when I'm spinning. These are the main caps. Now, main caps are supposed to be tight. There it is. It's supposed to be tight all the way across. But as you can see, this one, I am turning this by hand. Like, no joke, turning it by hand. Turning that one by hand. I haven't even touched these yet. Let's see. That one's tight. That one's tight. So far I got two. Now let's go three. Three that are just hand tight. That's not good, guys. It's not good at all. So, if you guys ever come across this problem, or if you get into rebuilding motors or want to rebuild a car or anything like that, always check your sport torque specs, because that's not right. It should not be hand tight.